Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to automatically delete your search and watch history in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC by launching your preferred web browser and typing in youtube.com in the address bar. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, locate and click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Google account to access your account settings. Step 4. Now, on the left panel of the Google account page, find and click on Data and Privacy to manage your data settings. Step 5. Under the Data and Privacy section, you'll see various options. Look for History Settings and click on YouTube History. Step 6. Here, you can choose the auto-delete time frame for your YouTube history. Click on the desired time frame that suits your preference. Step 7. After selecting the auto-delete time frame, click on Next to proceed. A pop-up message will appear. To save your auto-delete activity choice, click on Got It at the bottom right of the pop-up, and that's it. You have successfully set up automatic deletion for your search and watch history in YouTube on your PC. This ensures your privacy and keeps your YouTube history clean. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.